Did you know that over 90% of children and nearly 80% of adults in the United States snack at least once a day? That's a staggering number, and it means snacking is a routine part of life for most families. But here's a question. How many of those snacks are actually supporting our health, rather than just satisfying a craving? If you're like many parents or busy adults, you might find yourself reaching for whatever's convenient, sometimes without considering if there's a healthier option available. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy snacks for kids and adults. Nutritious snacking isn't just about avoiding junk food. It's about fueling our bodies between meals, keeping energy levels steady, and even supporting growth and development in children. The right snacks can help curb hunger, prevent overeating at mealtimes, and provide essential vitamins and minerals that keep everyone feeling their best. But let's face it, finding healthy snacks that kids actually want to eat and that adults enjoy too can be a real challenge. Many parents struggle with picky eaters, busy schedules, and the constant temptation of sugary, salty, or highly processed treats. It's easy to feel stuck in a rut of crackers, chips, or cookies, especially when convenience is key. So how do you transform snack time into something that's both nutritious and fun? Let's break it down by category, starting with one of the simplest and most versatile options: fruit. Fresh fruit is naturally sweet, loaded with vitamins, and almost always a hit with kids. Sliced apples, bananas, berries, grapes, or orange segments make for easy, portable snacks. For a little extra fun, try making fruit kebabs. Skewer pieces of different fruits onto a stick for a colorful, playful treat. If you want something even more exciting, freeze grapes or banana chunks for a cool twist on a classic snack, or blend frozen fruit into homemade popsicles. Next up are veggies. Now, vegetables can be a tough sell for some kids, but presentation can make all the difference. Instead of plain carrot sticks, try pairing them with a tasty dip like hummus, ranch made with Greek yogurt, or guacamole. Cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper strips, and even lightly steamed broccoli can be arranged on a plate in the shape of a face or a rainbow. Sometimes, adding a sprinkle of shredded cheese or a dash of seasoning can encourage hesitant eaters to give veggies a try. For adults, vegetable snacks are an easy way to boost fiber and antioxidants throughout the day. Moving on to grains, whole grains are a great way to provide lasting energy and keep everyone feeling full. Instead of reaching for cookies or crackers made with refined flour, look for whole grain options. Whole wheat pita chips, rice cakes, or homemade granola bars made with oats are all excellent choices. You can also make your own popcorn. Just skip the butter and use a little olive oil or a sprinkle of spices for flavor. For something different, try whole grain toast topped with nut butter and sliced banana, or whole wheat tortillas filled with veggies and hummus for a roll-up snack. Protein is another key component of healthy snacking, helping to build strong muscles and keep hunger at bay. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or string cheese are all kid-friendly and packed with protein. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, or pumpkin seeds, are great for adults and older kids, though you'll want to be mindful of allergies. Hard-boiled eggs are another easy and portable option. Cut them in half and sprinkle with a little salt and pepper, or mash them with avocado for a creamy snack spread. For a fun twist, try making mini sandwich skewers using turkey or chicken slices, cheese cubes, and whole grain bread cubes. Let's highlight a couple of standout snacks that check all the boxes. Easy to prepare, nutritious, and loved by kids and adults alike. First up, homemade energy bites. These little balls are made by mixing rolled oats, nut butter, a bit of honey, and extras like chia seeds or mini chocolate chips. Roll them into balls and refrigerate. No baking required. They're perfect for grabbing on the go or adding to lunchboxes. Another favorite is veggie quesadillas. Simply sprinkle shredded cheese and thinly sliced veggies between 2 whole wheat tortillas. Cook on a skillet for a few minutes and cut into wedges. Serve with salsa or Greek yogurt for dipping, and you've got a snack that's satisfying and fun to eat. As you explore these healthy snack ideas, remember that making snacks appealing is half the battle. Get kids involved by letting them help choose ingredients, assemble kebabs, or dip veggies. Use small cookie cutters to create fun shapes out of fruit slices or sandwiches. Mix and match colors, textures, and flavors to keep things interesting. After all, everyone eats with their eyes first. To recap, healthy snacking for kids and adults doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Start with fresh fruits like apple slices, grapes, or homemade popsicles for a sweet treat. Offer veggies alongside flavorful dips, and use creative presentations to entice even the pickiest eaters. Choose whole grain options like rice cakes, popcorn, or granola bars for sustained energy, and add protein with yogurt, cheese, nuts, or eggs. Standout snacks like energy bites and veggie quesadillas make nutritious choices easy and fun, whether you're at home or on the go. The benefits of healthy snacking go beyond just keeping hunger at bay. Nutritious snacks support growth, brain function, and energy for kids, while helping adults maintain focus and avoid midday slumps. With a little planning and creativity, snack time can be something your whole family looks forward to, without sacrificing health or flavor. If you found these tips helpful and want more ideas for nutritious eating, don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice, delicious recipes, and ways to make healthy living simple and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and happy snacking!